Thunder snow. We got thunder snow and Mound right now.
Yeah, once the guy merged into the right-hand lane, which it comes to an end, I don't know where he thinks. I'm guessing he's going to follow the buses down the shoulder. So
the mic, and I'll grab it. Hold on. Okay. Anyway, you know, there's something that's crept into the roundtables here, conversation, describing what you're doing. I'm turning left. I got a guy ahead of me who's turning right. Who cares? I don't care. You can do it if you want to, but I think it's superfluous.
probably, yeah, you want to give it a second chance depending on the circumstances. But more think about it. Are huge.
Which radio do you have down there? I don't remember.
There's W0EF repeater. Just the straight one. Bear 756.
Okay, very good. Yeah, well, that's a good radio. And I hope you. I just saw lightning. And there's the thunder. Boy, that was like 3 seconds, 4 seconds. And then there was the thunder.
Good radio. And I hope you. I just saw lightning. And there's the thunder. Gosh darn, we're having a thunderstorm in April up here with the snowing outside. Go figure. I've seen her for a few years now, but I've met with Mullins and he's told me about this. She got a pretty serious diabetes problem, I guess.
About it. I'm still kind of shocked about it. I mean, he looked like he was in pretty healthy, pretty good shape. You know, he wasn't overweight. Husky, but not overweight. And just really surprised to hear this. I hadn't seen him. I think I saw him last year.
Check your cholesterol, check your heart. All that stuff.
Do I have time or ability to get to his funeral?
What are you doing?
Walking up the road.
What happened?
Probably 9:30. How you been?
Pretty good.
Good. This is cool.
Wow.
I'm going to drop my computer off to the next person.
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
You dropped off the coffee that fast?
Yeah, I dropped it off in middle school and I ran off and I drove up. Oh, he's going to slide right in there.
Oh, dude.